Hello everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, whatever time you're watching this. I started working on some things. I'm just going to set them aside here because I just got some beads in. And I just have to show you guys this. There was a lady asking about where she could buy beads. She wanted a certain kind, and I'll tell you where you should go. You should go to Whatnot. I got some great beads. These right here, they are called Picasso Jasper, and they are 10 by 20 milliliters or millimeters, and they are so pretty. So I'm thinking about an Apple Watch bracelet. They're just gorgeous. All right, so the place where I got these is called Wild River Beads. And honestly, I'm telling you, just go to Whatnot. It's fun to bid. It's a good experience. Look at this strand. Oh my gosh. This is muscovite in quartz. And it is so amazing. It's just amazing. They're 8 millimeters. And they're just fantastic. See that muscovite in there? They got some really neat flashes, but they're not supposed to flash, so to speak. They're just really pretty quality beads. So, very happy with that. And then I got a really neat set here. These came as a set, and so that's another thing. They bundle things. You don't have to bundle things or buy the bundles, but I bought this bundle. And I'm going to start off with the 8 millimeter banded agate. I'm just going to show you guys up front here. Sorry that it's going all over the place. Let you get a look at it. 8 millimeter banded agate. Very pretty. It's going to look really good. And something I make. I don't have any idea what I'm going to make with it yet. That's how my mind works. So the inspiration comes to me when I sit down. Right now I'm just doing this. These are 10 millimeter smoky quartz. And they are really pretty. I'm trying to look at them. I've got a window in front of me. I was just looking at it through the window light. So pretty. So these are good size. These are 10 millimeter. They're grade AB smoky quartz. And that's gonna make a really pretty piece. I have to look through the window light one more time. I'm sorry, you can't see. Okay. And the next thing I have right here that I'm just gonna pull on is gonna be the 4 millimeter faceted tourmaline. So these are faceted tourmaline. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but let me tell you, these are good to keep around. They're sure sparkly. There's some different colors in there. I love it. I love it. I am more a tiny bead person. This is getting closer to more what I like to work with. So this is, again, the 4 millimeter faceted tourmaline cubes. Okay. Then I have got okay, this is 4 millimeter black and gold rutilated quartz. No, this is not that. Hold on. 4mm. No, 6mm. 6mm. 6mm? Yes. 6mm tourmalated quartz. And it's pretty. See the terminated pieces in there. So 6mm. Look at this neat ruler I have. I just want to show you this ruler. It shows the sizes of the beads too, so if I get it wrong, I can look at this. But you just lay your bead right on top and you see that's a 6mm for sure. So anyway, I like rulers. I like to keep a ruler around. So these ones I'm very happy with. Very pretty. This one right here is so pretty. That particular one. Yeah, I like little things. Okay. This is really a really nice piece here. This is 4mm black gold rutilated quartz. And it is fantastic. There's so little. So there's black rutilated quartz. So there's some black there. And then we've got the gold. They're so tiny and cute. So very happy with that purchase. Very happy. So that was the bundle that I got. Let me just show you what they look like together. Very good quality. I'm telling you, very, 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 very good quality. Very, very pleased with this order. Okay. And I have one more bag. And this bag qualifies me to be in the Tiny Bead Mafia. I am the old soul that just got initiated in the Tiny Bead Mafia, okay? So, again, Wild River beads. They have cabs and pendants, but I was there for beads. This is quite the bundle here. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not really sure. Let me just do the ones I know that I know. Okay. And then we'll come to the ones that I'm not sure of. Figure them out. Okay, this is carnelian. Look at these cuties. They're 4mm. Everything in this bag is 4mm. And this is the carnelian. And is it real? Well, of course it's real. How can you tell? You can tell. You can just tell. You can just really tell. So look at that beauty. Okay, so we got that. And then here comes some lemon jade. 4mm lemon jade. This is really pretty. All right. Pretty good size, you know. It's a nice size. And then I've got moss agate. Oh, I just wanted some moss agate so much. So this is the moss agate. It wants to curl up on its own. Look at these details, you guys. Just so beautiful. So many colors. So very, 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 very nice. All right. And then this right here is Unakite Jasper. And that's really pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna make lots of stuff with this stuff. And then, let's see, looks like I've got some pink jade up next. Look at this pink jade. It is just so pretty. I love all of the inclusions and oh geez, it's just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Pretty, pretty. And then we have got some hematites. Silver tone hematite. Yeah. I'm not big on metallics, but it'll be nice somewhere. But it is tiny, right? Tiny beads. It's faceted, it's pretty. Feels good rolling around in your fingers. This is the onyx, 4mm onyx. Very shiny, very smooth, very just, it's glossy, very glossy, very, very. Next, I have got a string of amethyst. Nice different colors, lots of variety. I kind of like my beads where they aren't all the same color. That way I can get lots of different looks out of them. Ooh, look at this shiny baby. This thing is winking at me and it's so cute. It says 4mm, but I'm going to be honest with you. It looks a little smaller to me. If you hold these together, the smaller the better in my world. I would say these are probably a 3mm. 3 to 4. These are grade A labradorites, and they got some shine. They're nice and see-through, nice and transparent, very pretty. They will make some pretty earrings. I'm most likely gonna make earrings with these cuties. So there is that string of labradorite. And then, okay, so lepidite. I'm gonna guess that this is lepidite. Lepidolite. So I'm making guesses here, guys. I'm guessing that this is lepidolite. And I don't have any pieces of lepidolite in my collection because I have personal crystals also. This is some pretty stuff. Pretty sure that's what it is. Okay, I could be wrong. And I think this is howlite. So we got a string of howlite. I don't know if that's howlite or not, but I think it might be. The reason why I think it is because you can dye howlite and you wouldn't be able to dye a red item. So yeah, that completes my bead haul, guys. That is it. Let me just throw them together on my hand just because it's fun and it sounds pretty. Like, I don't know, I like the sound of beads. It's fun. I could imagine being the person selling these, me sitting in the seat doing the selling. That would be fun. But that's not my life, so I'm going to take the life I have and roll with it. Get it? I'm going to roll with it. So there's my collection of tiny beads. Now it's time to make something fun. Is there anything you guys want? I'm making some moon earrings right now. I've got a special order, a custom order. That's the start of it. And we're going to be using the onyx beads on this one. These here. Whoops. Right there. And then we're going to deliver them. Okay. Take good care, everybody. Bye-bye.